We are over here checking out this cute 2-bedroom unit over at the Tennis Villas at Edgewater Beach. Hey there, we're checking out this cute little tennis villa over at Edgewater. Just enough space. This 2-bedroom with the primary being ensuite has all that you need, whether you want to make it your place you play at the beach, rent it out for a vacation rental income, or have it as your primary residence. I'm overlooking tennis courts, pickleball, the pool. This is a perfect location. You'll notice the primary bedroom over here has a balcony access, which you can overlook all those fun Florida activities, an ensuite bathroom. Both bedrooms are decked with 2 beds. In case you decide to turn this into a vacation rental, you are ready to go. If you like what you saw in this video, make sure you click on the links below. It's gonna give you extra information like photos, who to call if you love the property, and more. And wait, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Don't miss out on any future deals in Panama City Beach.